This doesn't look good for this ETF. SMCY has crashed about 30% today, and after hours is going down about 6%. 52-week range is between 36.50, which is the price of today. It was at 59.20 at one point. And remember, this ETF came out at around 50 bucks. Is one of the priciest YieldMax ETF, because most of YieldMax ETFs are about 20 bucks, but this one came out at $50. At the price of $37 today, that means this ETF has lost about $13, and that's excluding all the dividend that they've paid so far. This is a single stock ETF, and the stock that this ETF is tracking is Super Microcomputer. So whenever happens to super microcomputer companies, and this will be affected, I'm going to give you the news on what happened to this company today, which affects this ETF and what's the outlook going forward. Also, I'm going to show you a list of all YieldMax ETFs and which ETF is performing well and which ETF is performing poorly as of now, and how much YieldMax has in total asset under management as of now. Super Microcomputer Inc. has crashed about 33%, and after hours it seemed to be going down about 3%. 52-week range, this stock was between $22 all the way to $122. This stock was just about $8 in 2022, guys, and then it went all the way to $120 in 2024, and now it seems to be retracing, coming back. So it's very volatile stock. What led it to Super Microcomputer fall today? I made a video before telling you that there was accusation of this company, and then I literally said you should really follow close before you invest in YieldMax SMCY because of the concern that was raised. And today that ignites again because something happened, and I'm going to show you here. Super Microcomputer stock plunged 27%. Here's why. Of course, when they wrote this article, it was about 9 a.m. Since then, the stock kept crashing to 32%. Super Microcomputer SMCI stock is down more than 27% this morning following the resignation of its auditor, Ernst & Young, due to concern over governance and transparency. This resignation follows a previous allegation of accounting manipulation by the short seller Hindenburg Research, along with its report that the company is being probed by the U.S. Department of Justice in relation to its internal accounting controls. I've made a video about that news when it happened. When that news came out, I think the stock crashed about 15%. So now you know the reason why this stock has crashed today. Is it an opportunity for you to buy, or you should stay away? That's analysis I'm going to give you. Before doing that, I'm going to show you something here. YieldMax ETF has 34 ETF listed with a total of 5.7 billion in asset and management, which makes the YieldMax this 42nd biggest ETF provider on the US stock market. The fund has an average expense ratio of 1.03. Listed ETF, there are 34 right now. The top one being 1.26 billion, all the way to the lowest one with the amount of asset under management, which is Palantir. It just came out a few weeks ago. Right now is only about 5.24 million. Now let me take you to analysis and see if SMCY is an ETF that you should consider buying right now. Super Microcomputer stock forecast. This is a forecast for Super Microcomputer stock itself, not YieldMax ETF. The reason I'm showing this one is because whenever this is performing well, of course, YieldMax ETF also will perform well. So right now, if we look at the average analyst prediction, they're saying right now this stock will be going up to $74. That will give about 125% up. And median analysts, meaning there are 15 analysts, right? So 6 of them or 7 of them believe that the stock will be going about $67, and that will give you upside potential of 104. But the highest bid, the highest vote was this stock is going to be 135, and that is going to give you performance of 300%. If we look at analyst consensus, is a buy. They're believing this stock is a buy right now. But its stock is going through a lot of this hurdle right now when it comes to legal problems. So it's a stock that you should put in your list and follow closely. And of course, it's going to pay a really great dividends. If you're an investor who can tolerate the risk, then this might be an opportunity for you to pick some shares. But if you are an investor who don't want dealing with the risk, you might just want to stay away and wait this allegation and everything else to settle down before you can consider buying this ETF. If you like this type of content and you don't want to miss this type of updates, please consider subscribing to this channel. Hit that belly button so you can get notification whenever I release a new video. And also, if you like this video, please give me a like, share with someone who you think this video might help. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again next video. Bye bye.